Jokanyo mag riwruok ma jochiw thieth mong'ere kaka clinical officers bad ma Nairobi obuogo bago ng'anyo kochakore tich adek jumani poni dwaro magi ok biwinji ka gitwak kod jofwambo gihum kaluwore kod chal mag ute thieth e kaunti ma Nairobi magikoni miyo tijgi bedo matek kendo jotuo bende ok yud kony kaka dwarore. Giwacho ni gisebedo ka giywak tok dewgi kendo koro gibiro wuok oko chieng' tich adek jumani mar ng'anyo ka gidwaro ni ji duto mosebed ka kalo e chandruoge mag thieth ma ok ni kare oriwre kodgi.
Matabibu hoi! Hoi! Veva matabibu veva!
Our three demands are: we have our 5 officers with appointment letters be posted, and we have the career guidelines implemented, and the third issue has been promotion and redesignation. Our members have stagnated at the same job group for the longest, and now we have a new policy document that dictates our employment from internship to retirement that the county government promises to implement but does nothing in regards to its implementation. We are here to tell Nairobians and all members of the Republic that effective Wednesday, we are getting to the streets to demonstrate and show that we are dissatisfied with the way health is being managed.
About 83 days ago, around 550 clinic officers started their strike. Many facilities around Nairobi have not been working, and even those that have been working have not been working optimally. But what is more concerning is the carefree nature with which the county government of Nairobi has been handling these issues.